Ever wondered how to get an effective workout in the comfort of your own home? Well, you're not alone. With the hustle and bustle of everyday life, finding time to hit the gym can be a challenge. That's where home workouts come in. They are an excellent way for us to stay in shape, on our own terms. And ladies, this especially holds true for us. Home workouts offer a myriad of benefits. First, they're convenient. You can do them anytime, anywhere. No need to worry about gym timings or travel. Second, they're cost-effective. No expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment. Just you and your determination. And third, they offer privacy. You can sweat it out without feeling self-conscious. So whether you're a seasoned gym goer or a fitness newbie, home workouts can be your best friend. And we're here to guide you through it. Stay tuned as we delve into easy-to-follow steps for a full-body home workout. First things first, never underestimate the power of a good warm-up. It's the unsung hero of any successful workout routine. Think of it as the opening act, setting the stage for the main performance. A warm-up gets your heart rate going, revs up your cardiovascular system, and activates those muscles you're about to work on. Not only does a warm-up wake your body up, it also helps to prevent injuries. Without it, you're essentially asking your body to go from 0 to 100 with no preparation. That's like starting a car in the dead of winter and immediately hitting maximum speed. It's not good for the car, and it's not good for your body. So whether you're about to embark on a high-intensity interval training session, a relaxing yoga sequence, or a strength-building routine, always start by warming up. Remember, a proper warm-up is the first step to an effective workout. Now that we're warmed up, let's get into the workout. Today, we're going to touch on every major muscle group with simple exercises that can be done right in your living room. No fancy equipment necessary, just your body and a will to work hard. Let's start with our lower body, targeting the legs and glutes. We'll begin with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointed slightly outwards. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your chest high and avoid leaning too far forward. Then, push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, we're moving to lunges. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle, and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to standing, then switch legs. Again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. Now let's shift to our upper body. We'll start with push-ups. Position your hands shoulder-width apart on the ground. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push yourself back up. If standard push-ups are too challenging, modify by keeping your knees on the ground. Try for 3 sets of 10 reps. Moving on to the back, we're going to do Supermans. Lie face down on the floor with your arms and legs extended. Lift your arms and legs off the ground simultaneously, squeezing your glutes and back muscles as you rise. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Next, we're going to target our core with planks. Position your forearms on the ground, elbows under your shoulders, and hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core engaged and avoid letting your hips sag. Aim to hold for 30 seconds to a minute for 3 sets. Finally, we're focusing on our arms with tricep dips. Sit on the edge of a chair or couch, hands gripping the edge. Slide your bottom off the edge and lower your body by bending your elbows. Then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. That's your full body workout. Remember, consistency is key. Try to perform this workout 3 to 4 times per week for best results. Stay hydrated, eat healthily, and rest well to support your body's recovery. And most importantly, listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push it. Your journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, and you'll see progress in no time. While doing these exercises, one thing you must pay attention to is your form. Why, you may ask? Well, proper form is indispensable to effective workouts. It's the hidden key that unlocks the full potential of each exercise, making your workouts more efficient and, most importantly, safer. Think of your body as a machine. If the gears aren't aligned properly, the machine won't work as effectively and may even break down. Similarly, when you exercise with improper form, you're not maximizing the benefits of the workout, and you could be setting yourself up for potential injuries. So what can you do to ensure you're maintaining proper form? Here are a few tips that might help. Firstly, always be mindful of your body alignment. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels when you're doing exercises like planks or push-ups. If you're doing squats or lunges, make sure your knees are in line with your toes. It's all about keeping your body in balance. Secondly, control your movements. Don't rush through your exercises. Instead, take your time to perform each movement correctly. For example, when you're doing a bicep curl, make sure you fully extend your arm at the bottom and curl it up slowly, focusing on the muscle contraction rather than the weight you're lifting. Thirdly, engage your core. Regardless of the exercise, a strong, engaged core will stabilize your body, support your spine, and enhance your overall strength and balance. So remember to tighten your abs during each exercise as if you're bracing for a punch. Lastly, don't hesitate to check yourself out in the mirror. It's not about vanity, but about making sure your body is moving as it should. A mirror can be a helpful tool in correcting and perfecting your form. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work on your form, the more natural it will become. So don't get discouraged if you don't nail it immediately. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be performing these exercises like a pro in no time. Not everyone has access to weights at home, but that doesn't mean you can't get a good workout. If you're among those without a weight set, don't sweat it. There are plenty of alternatives that can give you a great workout and help you build strength. Let's dive into a couple of them. First up, resistance bands. These stretchy dynamos are affordable, portable, and versatile. You can use them to perform a wide variety of exercises. For instance, you can mimic the motion of a bicep curl or a chest press just as you would with a dumbbell. The key here is to maintain tension in the band throughout the movement. This constant tension can actually lead to better muscle growth compared to traditional weights, as it keeps your muscles engaged for a longer period. Next, let's talk about body weight exercises. These are exercises that use your own body weight as resistance. Think push-ups, squats, or lunges. These are fantastic because they not only build strength but also improve balance and flexibility. To make body weight exercises more challenging, you can increase the number of repetitions, slow down the pace, or modify the movement to make it more difficult. For example, you could progress from regular push-ups to diamond push-ups, which place more emphasis on the triceps. Lastly, you can also use everyday household items as makeshift weights. A gallon of milk or a bag of rice can be surprisingly heavy. Just make sure to grip these items securely to avoid any accidents. Remember, the most important thing is not the equipment you use, but how you use it. It's all about maintaining proper form and consistency. So don't let the absence of weights deter you from your fitness journey. With these alternatives, lack of weights is no longer an excuse. So go on and get moving. You got this. And that's how you can get a killer workout right at home. We've journeyed together through the crucial steps to ensure you're making the most of your home workouts. We started with the importance of a good warm-up. Remember, it's the foundation of any great workout, setting the pace for what's to come and preparing your body for action. Next, we delved into the full body workout breakdown, a comprehensive guide to exercising every muscle group, all within the comfort of your living space. We paid special attention to maintaining proper form, the cornerstone of effective workouts and injury prevention. Lastly, we explored alternatives to weightlifting. Not everyone has a set of dumbbells at home, but that shouldn't stop us from breaking a sweat. There are countless ways to challenge yourself and build strength, using just your body weight or everyday household items. Remember, the key to fitness is consistency, so get out there and start working out.